Today we find ourselves on an adventure in the heart of Newfoundland's majestic coastline to go cod fishing and snorkeling on the Atlantic Ocean with Explore Newfoundland. Get ready to dip your toes into the vast Atlantic, feel the salt spray on your face, and immerse yourself in the extraordinary world of cod fishing in Newfoundland.
Sit on the edge of a wharf and you look at the experiences that happen in those little tiny communities, in those little tiny places with that vast expanse of ocean all around them. It's just awe-inspiring, and there's 19,000 kilometers of coastline to explore.